Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie back with another video. Today we have an unboxing of a newer company called OVLUX. OVLUX. We're gonna go with OVLUX for this video. Before we get into unboxing this video, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like the channel, the videos, dislike the videos if you want, comment, share, you know, all that good stuff, and ring that bell. I don't know if any of y'all don't ring the bell on my channel, but I think that helps get the notifications a little bit quicker and all that good stuff. But all that out the way, right? Today we got I guess it's a budget clipper. It's from a company called OVLUX. They actually emailed me and sent me out this clipper. So this is one of the first times that I get to actually unbox and review a clipper that was actually sent to me that we will get to see how it worked. Now, believe me, we still gonna keep the same review. We still, I do want companies to know that when I do review clippers, I'm promise you, I'm still gonna keep the review the same. However I feel about the clippers, however I feel about the clipper. All right. So as you see, OVLUX, I'll put the link down in the description where you can buy these. They're on Amazon. I think they're $54, $55, somewhere in between that area. But the price is right here, right there. That's the price of them. All right. So see, up to 300-minute run time. Come with protective bags, face and hair. I don't know why they put that on there because that's what clippers do, face and hair. It comes with, what's that, 6 guards, like a half guard all the way up to a 4. Kind of like the 1919s, except for with the display. But with all that out the way, let's actually get into the box, because reading the box don't give us nothing. We actually got to see what's in this thing. So let's open this up. Knocking stuff over already. You can see they got a nice young handsome man on the front of the box. Nice hairdo. All right, how we opening this? All right, they got the shoebox style opening. If I can get it to fall out of there, let me see. Loosen up the sides, Reggie. There you go. Reggie, get the, there we go. All right, so shoebox opening. They actually got that plastic covering just like the 1919s as well. If y'all done had the 1919s or the what's that, the magic clips with the chrome finish, they kind of got that style to them. Here's the actual machine, but before we get to the machine, let's see what's in the box. All right, you open it up, you got your guards, and they actually kind of like the wall. I mean, this is a wall setting so far. All right, these are the guards that come with this, and these are how they look. And these are my guards, the premium guards from, of course, there are 2 different sizes, but this is the premium guards from Wall. And this is OVLUX. I hope I'm saying that right. If I'm not, y'all see how it's spelled. All right, you got your guards. You get your charging cable, no dock. This is a budget clipper. So that's one thing we have to remember sometimes when we're looking for a clipper. Your budget clippers, even though these days their run times is longer, they're not gonna always come with the extra pieces of you know, charging docks and stuff of that nature. But it seems like, not that you necessarily need a charging dock, because if you come in with a clipper that's a decent clipper, you got longer run time, you got the power, you might not need all that extra stuff. You might need a clipper that's gonna get the job done. All right. So you got your oil, the brush. I just dropped the brush. I've never seen one of these in here. You call, get your 24/7 support. There's the number. Get your free warranty for a year. This is a thick, very thick manual. This is, maybe it's in different language. Yeah, they got it in different languages and stuff. I was about to say, because this is thick. I'm about to say, what I need to know to use a clipper now. All right, got your charging cable, like I said. And these are the carrying bags, I guess, for your clippers, for your I guess your charger and your guards or whatnot. That's nice though, a little velvet feel. All right, so we put that to the side. We got the box out the way. We got the opening. Nice, kind of like put me in the mind of the 1919s. All of this is put me in the mind of the 1919s or the chrome field magic clip. All right. So there's the machine. Very tight lever. I like that. The chrome. I like that. I'm not mad at it. You see the design with blade. They got a nice little, I guess it's a fade blade. It's not a thin fade blade, but it's a fade blade nonetheless. Taper, fade, whatever, right? Not taper fade. It's a fade blade. I'm just saying stuff, all right? But there you go. Nice design. Professional. So look at them grooves. I like those grooves on the back. So that is different from the 1919. But as you can see, it's the same. I mean, it's the same setup, which is nothing wrong with that. There's only so much you can do with a clipper. I mean, Babeless have done it, did something different. JRL has done something different with the design. So you can, but after a while, there's only so much you can do to a clipper. All right. And displays are the new thing. So even if you looked at this and said that looks like the 1919, boom, that's one thing that set it apart right there. So let's get into this power. As you can see, it got like I said, the lever. It's just a floating lever, no clicks. Of course, you can loosen it if you want, but this is a real snug feel. It's on there tight. I would loosen up a little bit because when I'm fading, I like to, I wouldn't make it too loose, but I would loosen it up. But that's not a big deal. I'm just explaining how it feels fresh out the box. Like I said, you got the fade blade. See how close it is? Not too close, but when I use clippers, I definitely use them fresh out the box before I start going in and messing with the blade, because I already have clippers that set close enough to get ball lines out, stuff like that. So yeah. Anyway, let's get to the sound of it. Before we even look at the display of it, let's get the sound of it. Very quiet. Very, very quiet. As you can hear that difference. Magic clip, which the magic clip is not crazy loud, but compared to that, it feels nice. Magic clip. Hopefully y'all can hear that difference in the video. So I'm gonna do it one more time. Magic clip. OVLUX. Now, in the full day of use, neither one of these is gonna be like crazy, disturbingly loud. So I just wanted to show the difference in between the clippers. Of course, this is a cordless master, and we all know that's louder. That should work. You can't even hear that once I turn that on. So I'm gonna turn this on first. Drowns it out, But we all know the masters is loud. You see the display? It came fully charged, so I like that. Fresh out the box, it got 100% of power left. You get what I'm saying? So that's good. They let you get ready fresh out the box. So I won't have to worry about charging it up. Okay, so they got the countdown like the like my Fade Kings. The Fade Kings have the percentage countdown. I like how JRL kind of does the hour and the minutes. That's kind of how I like it, but the percentage is not bad because it's just like your phone. When you count down from 100%, and it's just counting down, so it's not bad. As you can see, when it turns on, it got where you can put the oil in, and I guess that's also another indicator that, so that's nice. So when this is dying, this indicator should pop up to let you know to plug it in. So, all right. So that is the OVLUX, I guess, professional clipper, the LX9905. All right. So we'll have a review coming up on this real soon. Like I said, they actually sent this out to me, so I will definitely be using it. I will definitely let y'all know my true opinion on it, because all the machines are it's kind of like your cell phones nowadays. A lot of them are starting to come with the same power and the same charge time. The only difference is between these, I guess, budget clippers, is they run longer than a lot of the other clippers. Of course, you got JRL with a 5-hour, you got Caliber with some good run time, but these budget clippers, a lot of these budget clippers that quote unquote budget clippers that I have got lately have had very long run time. So we're not mad at that. All right. So that's the OVLUX professional clipper. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below where you can purchase these from if you're looking for a good clipper. Hopefully this is something that get you through. All right, so we'll have a review on this coming here real soon. I'm gonna use it for about 2 weeks, get a good feel of it, and let you know. Maybe I'll do a comparison between these and I don't have the 1919s anymore, but I do have the chrome finish magic clips. So maybe I'll do a comparison between these and the magic clips, but we already know it got longer runtime. We got 300 minutes of runtime. So, all right. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video. If you dislike the video, there's a thumbs down button, comment, subscribe, share the video, and we'll be back with another unboxing, another review, another tutorial here very soon.